Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you've come back and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. My name's Jen and I'm an amateur nail hobbyist, and in my last video I unboxed the Beetles Gel Lizzie Girl collection, and today I'm going to use that collection to create a simple beginner-friendly nail look. So before I started filming, I prepped my nails by applying some full cover gel tips. The gel tips that I used are by Royal Dips, which is a small Canadian shop. Her gel tips are wonderful, and yeah, I highly recommend this small company. You can look her up. She sells a lot of beautiful dip powders, liquids, gel products, and gel tips. And her products are phenomenal quality. And yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to her. So I've gone ahead and already prepped my nails, and I already did the nail look we're going to create together on my dominant hand. So we're going to create this nail look on my non-dominant hand today together. So the first step is adding a base coat after you get your nails ready to go. The base coat we're going to be using today is by Coco and Claire. It's a gel base coat, but it is a peel-off base. I really enjoy this product, and it allows me to switch off my nail color very quickly. I just file the edges of my nails and then use a orange stick and just pop off that top layer, and it works really well. So this is the base coat I'm going to be using today. Also, the packaging is so pretty. So this is the base coat I'm going to be using. I'm going to apply it and cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my peel-off base has been applied and cured for the full 60 seconds. These are the three colors I have chosen from the Lizzie Girl collection by Beetles Gel to create today's look. So we have A850, A843, and A836. So I'm just going to kind of do a quick tutorial with this. It's super beginner friendly, and it utilizes the matte and shiny top coat to kind of create a really unique, classy look. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the 850 color, and I'm going to paint my middle finger with 850. I'm going to do 2 full coats and cure for 30 seconds between each coat. The thing I really like about working with gel is that if you do get it on your cuticles or mess up, it does not set until it's cured. So it's really a really wonderful product for beginners because you have lots of time to clean up if you make a mistake. All right, so the next color I'm going to apply is 843, and I'm going to apply this to my ring finger. All right, and then the last color we're going to use is this beautiful orange, A836, and this is going to go on my pinky, my index, and my thumb. Okay, I'm finished applying the color coats to all of my nails, and they're all fully cured. So now we are going to apply the matte top gel top coat by Beetles, and we're going to apply that to all of our nails except for our ring finger, because we are going to use a glossy finish on that finger, and we're also going to add the kind of French tip detail to our other fingers. It is much easier to add a glossy detail over a matte top coat than the opposite way around, because it's just much easier to see. So I'm going to, like I said, apply this thin, even coat of the top matte coat and cure for a full 60 seconds. So I'll do that and then I'll be right back. So you can see now we have that beautiful matte finish on 3 of our 4 fingers. I am now going to go in with, with this top coat, which is the glossy top coat by Beetles, and I'm going to put that on my ring finger, and then together we will add the French look, just like on my thumb that's already done, to kind of give it that accent. So I will apply and cure for 60 seconds on my ring finger, and then we'll come back and do the accents on our other nails together. All right, so now we have that shiny coat on our ring finger, and we're going to add the shiny French detail. So I'm going to use this kind of super fine detailer brush to draw on those lines. We'll do one together on camera, and then I'll finish the rest off camera, just so you're not sitting here watching me paint lines on my nails. So I've already just taken out a little bit of the glossy top coat onto a palette, just off to the side here. I just put a little blob right on the tip of my detailer brush, and then I like to kind of dab it on the end and then draw my French line. I do it in half, kind of halves. And if you can see, where I'm adding the glossy top coat is now glossy on top of that matte finish. So like I said, it's really easy to see where I'm painting it. That can be really hard to see if you're painting the matte top coat on top of the glossy, like if you're doing the opposite effect, because the matte top coat is glossy when you're painting it on, so it can be more difficult. But this is definitely, for practice, is the easiest way. Great thing with gel is it doesn't stay put until you cure. So if you make a mistake, you can easily just take some alcohol, wipe off that gel, and restart. But I'm really happy with that line. So I'm going to cure that for the full 60 seconds, and then I'm going to finish the other 3 fingers that I'm going to add this DLL to, and then we'll come back to finish up the video. All right, and then that is the final look. But of course, no manicure is complete without some cuticle oil. I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil to all my really dry cuticles. Rub that in. All right, and that is my finished nail look with the Beetles Lizzie collection. I really like it. I love the glossy and matte look we got in a really simple, beginner-friendly way. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be sending out a giveaway to one of those people. I've already started collecting some goodies that I love to use, and yeah, so I'm really excited for that. My next video will be another Beetles unboxing, and then we'll create a look using that collection, kind of like the last 2 videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.